Amber, back again with another video. And today I have my beautiful mother. Hello, mother.
Hey, people.
We are cooking. We just made some turkey burgers because, I don't know. But, we have some shrimp. We're going to be making
shrimp tacos.
Yes, it's going to be so good.
I'm cleaning and peeling the shrimp.
Yes.
We have to do that first.
Yes, and then we're going to do like a mini mukbang after. And our conversation is going to be
cheaters.
What is considered cheating to you? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and stay for the rest of the video. So guys, we have finished cooking. My mom, I'm gonna insert a clip right here of her food. Her salad looks so good.
It's so yummy.
I'm basic. I just made some shrimp tacos and had some little chips on the side.
You got no sauce on there, girl.
Huh.
Oh, green sauce.
I wanted to make shrimp and nachos, but someone wasn't good.
I threw away the cheese.
So messed up.
I thought she was done with it.
No, I just used it one time. So I said we were gonna do a little mukbang, not very long, you know, just something. So mom, what is your deal breaker in a relationship?
A liar and a cheater.
So those are the only things that are deal breakers?
A liar, a cheater, bad hygiene, disrespect, somebody that don't have nothing going for themselves, no job, no car.
What about he's a trapper?
A trapper? What's that?
Like, you know, he's a hustler. He gets his money the way he gets his money. But he's providing for you. You got everything you want. Anything you want. Louis, Bottega.
I would have to pass on that.
That's a good
my job.
Because of her job.
And then that might not last forever. Hustlers sometimes die. They're killed in the streets. And you can't sleep good at night knowing that somebody doing something wrong. You be worried they gonna make it home.
All money ain't good money. And just as fast as you get it, can be as fast as you lose it. So, for me, a deal breaker is like having a kid. Like, no. If you have a kid on me, bye. What are we talking about? Why are we here? Why are you in my presence? Like, if you have a kid and you lie about it, what if?
Another deal breaker is a man that knows your friends and then he tries to date your friends.
Right. Oh my God.
That's scandalous.
Nasty.
Nasty and scandalous, both of them, and I would beat her ass. And his too.
Are you struggling?
Yeah.
You okay?
It's time for the Rastafari.
That is not what they're called. They're called faux locks. Or
I got knots on the hair.
yeah, because it's a knot right here, but they're like faux locks, like fake dreadlocks. What was I about to say? Yeah, this food is so good. Oh, what if? Okay, so what if you're married? Like I was asking you earlier, what if you're married for like 25 years? Your 25th anniversary is coming up. You planned this beautiful trip. You've had an amazing 25 years with your husband. Then boom, you find out he has a kid.
You find out that he has a kid and he told you he never wanted kids.
Yeah. What would you do?
That would be a deal breaker.
But how would you go about the situation? Like, he doesn't say he doesn't know that you know.
I have my private investigator get all the facts.
So you can't deny it.
Yeah.
Smart.
And I would have him served your
Fired.
Yeah. You're fired. We're
You're
getting
fired.
divorced.
As my husband.
We're getting divorced.
But what if he's a really good man? And what if he just knew that you didn't want kids, and it was one time where you guys were like arguing and he just did something stupid because he was drunk, and this is the only thing he's ever did. He's never cheated on you, never lied to you, never was disrespectful, was a man of God, and he just made one mistake that ended up.
If he made one mistake and I really love him, I couldn't say it out.
You shouldn't really love your husband. You shouldn't be married with him if you really don't love him.
It would really take a long time to build the trust, so things wouldn't be right. I would make him feel the wrath.
But what if But what if he was like, when he found out he didn't want the kid either, so he just gave the baby mama money to take care of the kid, but didn't want to be in the kid's life? How would that make you feel?
I wouldn't want him to do that, because no kid deserves to grow up without their dad.
Would you think of him less because he was like thinking of you before his own kid?
I wouldn't think of him less.
I would.
Like, I'll be mad at him for
yeah,
that?
because
maybe he wanted to save his marriage and he knew he made a mistake.
Yeah, but if you knew you made a mistake and you wanted to save your marriage, you tell your wife as soon as it happens.
Yeah, you own it.
Yeah, because if you really know your wife and you only made one mistake, if you really know her, you should know what she's gonna do.
Yeah.
But that's just me. Okay, we're just gonna do 2 more questions. This is just me questioning my mom because it's fun. So, Mom, have you ever cheated?
I've never been married, so the question is no.
Wait, hold on.
You're not considered cheating when you're not.
It's not considered cheating.
I'm just playing.
But what if you're in a monogamous relationship? It's just you and him. Y'all live together. Y'all basically married, but you're not married. And say one of your friends hit you up and was like, oh, you want to hang out? It's a guy friend. Is that considered cheating? You guys go for breakfast or lunch.
It's considered cheating when you don't share it with your significant other, what you're doing. You going behind his back.
What if he just doesn't know? What if you try to tell him?
What he knows won't hurt him.
Oh! Don't listen to that.
Never tell that right hand what the left hand.
Yeah. Don't take that advice. No, but that is true. Don't let your left hand know what your right hand is doing, because while you over here telling your left and your right could be someone else. You never know. But, you know, if you have that relationship.
But in all honesty, like the relationship I'm in, and I feel I have a good man, I wouldn't cheat on them.
Good. Let me have that last one.
Nope.
Why?
Because I want it for my salad. I love it off the bowl.
That's dirty. I don't want your tomato.
Oh, so here's all my food.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this little mukbang or whatever, questioning my mom about cheating. Oh wait, one more question. What do you consider cheating? I consider cheating anything that you don't want your man doing and you doing it. That's cheating.
If you're doing something bad and you don't have integrity, doing something caught off when nobody's looking.
But what if you're doing something you don't like? Like, remember the movie Why Did I Get Married? Where she was husband. Why Did I Get Married too? She had her husband, but her ex-husband who did her dirty, he had cancer. He was dying. Oh. So she didn't tell him, but she was just helping him. Is that cheating?
That wasn't cheating.
But she's going behind her husband's back doing something that she wouldn't want her husband to be doing.
But she wasn't having an affair or nothing. She was just helping.
He doesn't know that. He wasn't there.
Yeah, but I wouldn't consider that cheating.
But what if he's considered cheating and then he
he's
wants to get a
threatening.
divorce with you? Would you think that's a bit much?
Yeah,
Right?
just
Just
talking
saying.
out.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching
Divorce
this
should be
video.
the last option.
The Bible says you
what
should
God
divorce.
what God put together, let no man tear apart.
Why are you whispering? They can't hear you. Tell them, sister.
What God puts together, let no man tear you apart.
Right. Guys, do we look alike? Oh, that's gonna be a thumbnail. So, oh, we should have did it with the food.
Too late for that. Our plates is clean.
Okay, Mom, end out the video.
Think first before cheating. Try, if you're gonna be with somebody and you don't want to be with them, let them know so they can have an option if they want to be in a relationship that they being shared with, or if they don't. Think about other people's feelings.
All the parties involved.
Yeah, and cheaters never prosper.
Yes, guys, so on that note, thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. If you want to follow my mom, her social media will be right here. Just kidding, she's not gonna accept you. Sorry.
I'm gonna start a cooking channel. I tried today but was not successful
Because she's not organized. I tell her that she has to like write down what you're gonna do.
Yeah,
Have everything, because
I have to execute it.
yeah, you can record on your phone or you could use my camera. It really doesn't
I want her to do it. She's the YouTuber. I want her to do it for me. That's what daughters are for.
Yes, for using us for the carpool lane, for videos, all this stuff. Just kidding. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye. My social media will be in the description box below, like always. Peace.